Classes of wave. Wave can be classified into two: progressive wave and stationary wave. What is a progressive wave? A progressive wave is a wave that propagates in all directions without returning to the starting point. Let us take, for example, we have a rope, and this rope is loose at both ends. We hold the rope at one end and you move your hand up and down. You will notice the wave in the rope moves to an indefinite direction. Hence, it does not return back to the point of action. We call this wave progressive wave. And that is why it is called traveling wave, because it moves from one point until it is finished at a given point. What are stationary waves? Stationary waves are waves that propagates to a fixed point and then returns back to the starting or the point of action. Let's take, for example, we are using the same rope. You are holding this rope here, and then the end of the rope is tied to a rigid object. Let's take, for example, to a wall. When you move this rope, it produces this loop, and then the loop comes back and returns to your hand. Hence, this wave is not traveling. It is only overlapping, and hence we call it stationary wave. It does not move to an indefinite direction. It goes to a fixed point and returns back to the point of action. Hence, we say they are stationary wave. Finally, we are going to talk about types of wave.